Kaya kasama pa ako dyan.
Sama.
Yung mga witness po, dito na po sa... Dito na lang.
Sila? So you'll start in the marriage of Maxwell John Thompson and Mona Gawes. Sino ang team groom? Ha? Sino ang team groom? Who's the team groom? Parang going to be bride ah. Did you like? Raise their hands. Yeah. So these are the first ones. No? Again, team bride. Diba? Ano po kayo? Those who didn't raise their hands.
Team bride.
Ha? Again, team bride. Okay, hindi nagtas ng kamay, papalabasin na. Okay, let's start. Dearly beloved Maxwell and Nona, you are here today to seal your love with an eternal bond in accordance with the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. The step you are about to take is the most important thing into which human beings can become. It is the union of two people founded upon mutual respect and affection. Your lives will change, your responsibilities will increase, but your joy will be multiplied if you are sincere and honest with your pledge to one another. May I now ask you to answer truthfully the following question. Nona, did you come here present of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband? Maxwell, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself in the love and service of your wife? Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you both ready to raise? Are you going to raise peace-loving and law-abiding citizen, the children whom God will give you, or the grandchildren whom you will take care of?
Yes.
That's right.
Exchange of promises. Maxwell and Mona, since you wish to contract marriage in accordance with the laws of the Philippines, stand up and please face each other. Join your right hands and express your intention. Nona, do you take Maxwell here present for your lawful husband in accordance with the laws of the Republic of the Philippines?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife, to love him, to comfort him, and to keep him, forsaking all others, for as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your partner, your lover, your friend, and your husband? Cherish and support him. Be loyal to him till the end of your lives.
Yes, I do.
Maxwell, do you take Nona here present for your lawful wife in accordance with the laws of the Republic of the Philippines?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
It took some
No,
time.
no, no.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to be faithful and true to each other for as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Together, you have already, say face me, together, you have already made promises of love to each other. But the vows you are about to exchange are more than just romantic words. These vows are your gifts to yourselves, of yourselves, and of your lives. And we all stand together as witness. Now please, together after me, face each other. Unto each other we pledge
To each other we pledge
to be one heart and one soul
to be one heart and one soul.
from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
Do you have the rings? Ganon. Maybe very tayo. Okay. The wedding rings are the outward and visible sign of an inward and spiritual bond which unites two hearts in an endless love. The circles are designed without an ending, so they speak of eternity. May the incorruptible substance of these rings represent a love glowing of increasing luster through the years. And may all good upon this earth bless these rings which you have to each other, which you will give to each other as a sign of your love. Maxwell, please put the ring on the left finger of your bride and repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of my love,
as a sign of my love,
loyalty,
loyalty,
and devotion to
and
you,
devotion to you,
now and forever.
now and forever.
Nana, please put the ring on the left finger of your groom and repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of my love,
as a sign of my love,
loyalty,
loyalty,
and devotion to
and
you,
devotion to you,
now and forever.
now and forever.
May these rings be from this day, no, it's okay. From this day forward, your most treasured adornment, and may the love they symbolize be your most precious possession. Maxwell, you may now say your vow, your personal vow to Nana.
This is the beginning, this is the continuation of our journey together. It has been a journey that we decided to undertake. And I will, for the rest of my life, love you, cherish you, for my life forever.
Nana, you may answer with your vow.
Max, I'm not prepared for this, but yeah. Only thing I can tell you is that I will do my best. And my ability to be always at your side, to understand you, and be always open in everything, to be in every trial, in every struggles that we are going to go through, I will be there. And I will love you, as always.
Okay, thank you for your vows. Okay. Please sit down for some life lessons from the judge. So I will just have to remind you a few things, and I hope that you will carry this throughout your married life. So I have this kind of sermon to everyone who comes before this court and asks for marriage. So you remember this, very simple. You have your hand, okay, raise your right hand, okay. So this is important. Every part of this hand or every finger of this hand, you will always use in your entire journey as a married couple. The first one will be this. What is this one? A thumbs up, yes. In your marriage or in your lifetime together, don't forget, always give each other a thumbs up. When she does something good before the end of the day, thumbs up. Oh, Nana, you were good there. Oh, Maxwell, you were good there. I love what you did in that part. Okay? No, you did this. It's okay. Bring it down. So you have to, because you always do a thumbs up in your Facebook post or Facebook friends, do a thumbs up for each other. Okay? Number 2, what is this one? What is this finger?
Or index finger,
Huh?
or finger.
This is a pointing
Pointing
finger.
finger.
Okay? Because this is the finger wherein you point. You point directions. You go to the left, you go to the right, you go straight. It's there, it's under. So this is a pointing finger. It's a finger of direction. When one is lost, when one cannot understand the other, always direct them. Okay? Remember the pointing finger. Nona, I think you missed this one. Maxwell, I think you missed this one. So you direct each other. Okay? So that's the pointing finger. The next finger that I will raise, no cameras, will be this finger. What is this finger? This is the middle finger or the what? The bad finger. And when do you raise this?
I don't do that.
Do you raise this to each other? No.
No.
When troubles come, raise this both of you and tell trouble, trouble, you're only trouble. We're stronger than you. Trouble.
Okay.
Yeah?
Definitely.
So this is the middle finger. The next finger would be, what's this finger?
The ring finger.
The ring finger or the commitment finger. Is it where you put your rings on? Yes. It is because from now on, you are committed to each other as husband and wife. Each time there will be temptation, look at your commitment finger. And there lies your rings. And there lies your promises you made today. So that when there comes temptation, or when there comes troubles and you'd like to quit, you look at your commitment finger. And the last one is what? This is the pinky finger, the smallest finger of the hand. Meaning, the smallest of things could annoy, and the smallest of things could bring more love. Yes. The simple thing of putting back the tape on the toilet seat, it's very simple. It's the smallest task. Okay? Nona, the simple thing of arranging your makeup, that's the smallest task. It could annoy. Yeah? So refrain from annoying each other. Okay? The smallest finger. And the simple thing of saying goodbye, kissing your wife goodbye before you leave. That makes all the difference. Or saying, you look handsome today. Those are simple things, but it makes your love grow stronger. So now you know the 12 finger. It's easy to memorize, right? And even the crowd here, memorize it. So you'll be able to do a thumbs up to your husbands tonight, or whatever they do good. Right? And then, what else? When you join together your finger, what happens? First, yeah? No, you, alone, only, yeah, yourselves. You do it together, you pray. To whomever you are going to pray, you pray for the success of your life. Okay? So let's stand up. Please all stand. Family and friends, you are witnesses to the union of two individuals who choose to commit a life together. Your responsibility as friends and witnesses is to provide them as a couple your love, support, and approval. Walang kampihan later on. Walang team bride and team groom. Okay? For the benefit of Maxwell, they are to support you. And there's no team. When you go to them, both of them must be Team Nona and Team Maxwell from now. Okay? Please affirm your support. The public, please affirm your support by responding, we do, Your Honor, to the following questions. Do you witnesses attest that Maxwell and Nona have indeed freely exchanged marriage promises and are therefore now bound in the bond of marriage? Walang tinakot dito, ha? May mga ano dyan. Wala, ha? So you affirm that. Okay, the public affirms that. Thank you. Okay, now sit. Now, you remain standing. As your solemnizing officer, I advise you to be faithful to one another. I wish you well. I also wish you God's blessings. And I urge all of you who are present to represent the community to accept them as the new couple and to support them with your love and support. On behalf of the Republic of the Philippines and by the authority vested in me as the presiding judge of the Regional Trial Court of Branch 117 of Bacoor City, Cavite, I hereby declare you husband and wife. Everyone, nagkapas na kayo. Let's give them another round of applause. Okay.
Big smiles, happy faces, dancing around special places. Love is in the air, so true. Celebration, me and you. Flowers bloom, bright and gay. Wishes shared on this day. Holding hands, hearts in sync. Precious moments in a blink. My wedding day, let's celebrate. Memories we create, can't wait. Everyone's here, feeling grand. Dancing all night, hand in hand. Laughter echoes, joy and cheer. Friends and family, all so near. Toast to love, toast to life. Kiss the bride, kiss the night. Tears of joy, smile so wide. Happiness we can't hide. Picture perfect all around. In this moment, love is found. My wedding day, let's celebrate. Memories we create, can't wait. Everyone's here, feeling grand. Dancing all night, hand in hand.
message.
Naman, hindi nakapag-recite.
Hello, ni Max. Congratulations.
Kami natin sa lobo.
Ang beach boys day.
Bago ka buwa siya matakad.
Meron dito kaya.
Congratulations sa mga asawa. Kasi po mga inside me.
Message, message. Ayaw nila, ayaw nila.
Masaya kami.
Congratulations for the newly married. Oh, yan o.
Natupad na.
Max and Noy.
Wow. Bakit sinaka namin yung lobo?
Live here at Max's SM Backroom. Welcome to the spectacular celebration. A celebration with friends, loved ones, and family. All you need to do here is to enjoy to feel and experience our productive and sumptuous Alright, Master, everyone settle down. Your celebration will start right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome here at Max's Restaurant as the before. And also the reason why we're here. We are now celebrating the new event of Mr. and Mrs. Thompson. How about we start this celebration with a biggest round of applause? Once again, Ma'am and Sir, marinig naman po ng mga isagapin. Palakpakan dyan, everyone! Yes! Ganyan, hindi ko konti tayo. That's the energy that I want for this entire celebration. And I hope from the start to end this celebration na, happy lang po tayo and fun pa. Okay po ba yun, mga Ma'am and Sir? Okay. Anyway, my name is Michael Caras from Max's Restaurant El Samacor, and I am your host for today. Hindi ko na po papalagpasin. So welcome to all of you. Sabay-sabay po tayong tumayo at palakpakan ang ating newly Mr. and Mrs. Thompson! Palakpakan ang ating celebrant! Yes, once again, sabay-sabay po natin isigaw ang word na congratulations in 3, 2, 1! Thank you, everyone. Ayan, maraming salamat po for welcoming our celebrant. So, please remain standing for having an opening prayer to be led by Ma'am Cecil Paradas. Ma'am Cecil? Ayan. We're having a prayer lang po for everyone. Okay, wala po. Sa side.
Let's bow our head, guys. Lord, the giver of life and love,
Today we gather to witness a beautiful moment, the union of two souls, Max and Ate Nene, who now stand ready to walk in hand into a new chapter of their lives. We give thanks for this day, for the love that brought us here, and for the presence of those who surround them with support and joy. We also offer gratitude for the honorable judge who holds the responsibility of summarizing this union with wisdom, fairness, and care. May their role today be blessed with clarity and dignity as they help seal a bond that is chosen in love and rooted in trust. For Nene, my sister, may she enter this union with grace, strength, and an open heart, with a partner who honors and cherishes her. For Kuya Max, her chosen one, may he love with gentleness, lead with compassion, and walk beside her always. May he be her confidant, protector, and constant friend. Together, may they build a life and meaning and purpose. A life that reflects mutual respect, deep companionship, and shared hope. May their days be long, their love ever growing, and their home filled with light. And as this union is made official before us you all, let it also be made sacred by their promise to love, to listen, and to journey side by side for all the days to come. With hearts full of blessing, we say Amen. Praise God.
Thank you very much. Have a seat at once again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating celebrant or ang ating newlywed. Maraming salamat po. Even though na alam naman at napipili niyo po na medyo rainy din talaga o talagang July is the month of talagang kalulan, but still nandito po tayo to witness po ang pag-iisang dibdib ng ating celebrant of the wedding of Maxwell and Nona. So, you know what, ma'am, sir, we as a Filipino, the one of our tradition, or it is commonly thing na nangyayari in every occasion, such as wedding like this, baptismal, birthday, or milestone, is we give an inspirational message for our celebrant. So, I have a list of person po na magbibigay ng message po para sa ating celebrant. So, expect na almost lahat po tayo na nandito will be makakall for giving a message since kakabili lang po tayo. But para po umpisahan po by the opening remarks or opening message para po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. Good evening. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga nandito, sa pamilya ko, sa mga kaibigan, sa best friend ko na doon. Ako lang pa. Sa pakikipag-isa nyo sa akin sa mahalagang okasyon ng buhay ko. And speechless ako, shucks. Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sa presence nyo, kahit na hindi maganda yung panahon, nagsidating kayo. I really thank you so much for that, and I appreciate that.
Palakpakan naman. How about Mr.
Okay. All I know is this has been a new journey for us. And I would like to thank everyone for celebrating this with us. Thank you. Thank you for welcoming me to the family.
That's it. So, thank you once again. Palakpakan po natin.
Ay, parang iyak si Kuya.
Alright, tears of joy. But once again, congratulations. That's wishes. Alright, once I call the name. Ayan. Hi, hello. Welcome here. Have a seat. Alright, first and the least, I will call Ma'am Luz. Delines, Ma'am Luz.
Hello, good evening to everyone and also to my friends and to my Kuya Parts. For newlywed, I wish for a long and happy marriage filled with love and laughter. It's a classic and heart-filled choice. You can also wish them a lifetime of joy and cherish memories as they embark on their new journey. Together, many source recommended expression happiness for the couple and their future. It's also Kuya Parts, I want to say thank you for bringing a smile again to my friends. Thank you.
Wow.
Naitawid.
Naitawid. Yes. You're a friend of Ma'am. Am I right? You're a friend of Ma'am.
Yes.
That's a good friend, Ma'am. Giving a smile once again by Sir Max. No, Ma'am. Our tissue is out of stock, so we need to, pigilan natin ang iyak niya. But anyway, thank you, Ma'am Luz, for that message po. Pauna pa lang yan, pero nag-start na ang pag-cry ni Madam.
Oh yeah, the crying lady.
Alright, next I will call Sir John Ray Reyes. Nandito rin mo si Sir John Ray.
Huwag matahan
Ayan,
ha.
sir. Ito po tayo, sir. Please in front po. Hindi sa'yo po, sir.
Kaya nga. Sabi ko sila na.
Robert Jan.
Magme-message na.
Uy!
Hindi, pwede na Tagalog. Pwede na Tagalog.
Pwede naman.
Hintay ni Kuya yung English mo.
Guys, dito muna. Tapos, siguro makailangan sabihin,
Sa'yo na yung ilaw ng mic. Ang dami. Ang dami, napaka
siguro, na lang. Boy. Again,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. It's a big effort for sir. Alam naman natin na most of the boys here to speak in public. But thank you, sir, for that short message that meaningful for ma'am. Hindi pa rin sasalita si sir yan, ha? Naiyak na agad si ma'am. Dala-dala na. Okay. So, thank you, Sir John Ray, for that message. Next, I will call, and please in front, Ma'am Cecil Paredes. Ma'am Cecil. Yes, ma'am. Pasok ka sa top 10. Top 10. Ayan, dito tayo, madam. A message po for the celebrant, madam.
may recitation.
Thank you. Nag-rest na ako kami. Tagalog na yan. Ako masayang masaya. I'm so happy because we made it. All of you. And I really hope that your marriage will be as happy as ever, as hopeful, as many blessings as you can, and then you share that with your family. Pero Max, yun yung we love you. Even though you're not related to us, because you're Thompson, Reyes, and Paredes, you know. And I really do hope that you will take good care of her. You know what's her missing really. Huwag natin pagkabatid yun kasi oo yun. Congratulations and best wishes. We love you.
Walang kamali naman si ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, for that wonderful message. You know, It's so blessed. Sir Thompson or Sir Maxwell, so blessed. Instead of being part of Nona, thank you for everyone. Mga ma'am and sir, thank you for accepting Sir Thompson or Sir Maxwell to be part of your family. Talagang lalaki na po yung family natin together with Sir Thompson. So, it's a so blessed po na newlywed. You have a new family, sir, and you have new husband, or you have a husband, and Sir Maxwell, you have a wife, a beautiful wife, a Filipina, yes, of course. So once again, thank you very much, and congratulations, and thank you for having a message for the celebrant. Okay, next, I will call Sir Enrico Reyes. Hello, sir. Yes! Palakpakan naman natin si Sir. Ayan. Thank you, sir, for that message po. I need your cooperation in here. Thank you, sir, for your message. Next, I will call Ma'am Ami. Ma'am Ami, ano po ba? Hello, Ma'am Ami.
Pinapati ko kayong mag-asawa ngayon. Ngayon, araw na to, yung pinakasaya para sa inyo. Natupad mo na rin yung iyong pangarap na kasaluhin kayo ng umalis. Thank you sa invite mo yung dalawang mag-asawa. Thank you.
Ako na lang dyan.
This giveaway for Madam. You know, it's better than late than never. Ayan.
Happy birthday. Si Sir Max, 2017 birthday siya sa Christmas. Tapos ano po yung story ng dalawa. Ever since ang tagal. Tapos kita pala kami dito sa Pilipinas, gawa kayo na best friend ko na siya ngayon. At swerte rin talaga ng naging destiny ni Friend Max ay sa Pilipinas na sinusay niya rin. Yes, Princess, and God bless your relationship. Sana magmahalan kayo habang buhay.
Mga kamayon, everyone. Wala coincidence po, no? Alright, next. Siguro I will call si Ma'am. How about you, Madam? Ang ganda-ganda pa naman ang Madam. I like your outfit. Very jazzy. So, even though, since you're so beautiful, it seems like your message for the celebrant is so beautiful too. Ayan.
First of all, I would like
Thank you, Ma'am. Oh, very shy kasi Ma'am, for giving a message. Thank you. But anyway, thank you, Ma'am, for that wonderful message. Next, I will... Thank you, sir, for having a message. Alright, how about si Madam? Ayan. Yes, Madam, having a message for the celebrant. Pwede Tagalog once again. Pwede rin mahaba. Ayan.
wala po yung masasabi na congratulations. At, masaya. Masaya ako para sa inyo.
Walang iyakan? Walang masayang naiyak?
Wala nung nga kay Ma'am. So sweet. Tears of joy. Thank you for that message po. Next, I will call... Nainig sa dama si Sir. Message po.
Yan ay share naman po. Yung dalawa. Thank you po sa mga advice na binibigay niyo lang sa akin. Then, mother for and Max po. Best dater name.
Thank you very much. Every effort po. Having a message po. So we have a while na magbibigay ng message but on a video call. One of the friend of the ma'am, Nona. So, ayan, may mag-video call daw po sa inyo, madam. So once again, thank you for giving a message po. Lahat na nagbigay ng message for the celebrant. Maraming salamat po and very appreciated po. So to the celebrant, Ma'am Nona and Sir Maxwell, sa lahat po na nagbigay ng message for you, ma'am, can you have a little, what can you say for that message po, ma'am? Ma'am and Sir, even though konti lang po, ano po kami message po?
Okay. For everybody who gave us a message, I can feel it because I see other tears, but this is tears of joy. I just wanna really thank you so much. Sister Alma, Abby, my brother and my sister-in-law. Over there, my kumaring Jeanette, and then Danjan, my nephew. And my PFC, Luz Godinez. My nephew and inaanak. My father-in-law, Chi, and her partner. Thank you so much for coming. Akala ko hindi kayo dadating. Thank you talaga. And yeah, God bless all of us.
Yes! Anong pakalwa natin? Hawak Max na tayo.
I just would like to say thank you to everyone for welcoming me again, for welcoming me to the family, and for helping us to celebrate this event. Salamat.
Salamat po. Walang anuman. So once again, maraming salamat at palakpakan po natin ang ating celebrant. So Ma'am and Sir Maxwell and Sir Ma'am Nona, in behalf of Max's Restaurant Casa Bacool, wishing you a lifetime in love, laughter, and happiness together. May your love continue to grow stronger po with each passing day. Once again, congratulations and best wishes po in behalf of Max's Restaurant. So yes, maraming salamat po. So ang inihintay ng lahat, siyempre, may kasalan, anong meron, sir? Pag may kasalan, siyempre kikis muna po tayo. Yes, kiss muna. Isang malakas na kiss muna, kiss! Once again, congratulations, Ma'am and Sir Maxwell and Ma'am Nona. Best wishes po. So it's about time to take your dinner. So kakain na po tayo, Ma'am and Sir. The celebration wouldn't be completed in the Max's Restaurant. Moving access is not of our delectable and sumptuous food. So Ma'am and Sir, sit back, relax, and enjoy your meal. Dahil dito po sa Max will serve up to the bones. Okay? While the food is being served, sa mga gusto pong magpa-picture, together with the celebrant, pwede po tayo magpa-picture since konti lang po tayo. So, siguro dito ko rin ang mga magpa-picture na. Ayan. Yung mga witness, mga best friend din na.
Waki-waki. 2. Opa. Kiss. One more. Waki-waki. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Opa. Okay, good.
busog na po ang lahat. So yes, the one part of this program is syempre we are now going to the cake slicing and wine closing po. So yes, ma'am and sir, may invite you all. Ma'am, to celebrate po. The cake beside of the cake. And now let us witness po the cake slicing po. So yes, ma'am and sir, sabay po ba? But anyway, sabay po tayo mag-slice. So ma'am and sir, may request. So a sweet beginning, wishing the happy couple a lifetime of love, laughter, and happiness together. So once again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Thompson. Once again, palakpakan naman natin. So yun na ma'am, we're gonna transfer that cake, slice of cake to the plate or saucer po. Ta-transfer po natin sa plate. Yeah. So tayo po tayo ng slice. So one of part of the celebration of course, the cake slices. Yes, of course. Ang una po nating susubuan, of course, si Ma'am. So, Sir Maxwell, you may, the bigger, the better, Sir Maxwell.
Very good.
Wala bang po na silang icing?
Wow! Congratulations once again. Best wishes. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating celebrant. The wedding of Maxwell and Donna, right?
Kiss.
Kiss. Okay. Wow! So sweet! So, ma'am, Donna. Yes, kayo po tayo, everyone. Then may hawak po tayo lahat ng drinks. Ayan. So, once again. Meron na po bang hawak? Okay na po? Sir Maxwell and Donna. To love, laughter, and happily ever after. May these drinks be starts of lifelong toast to the happy couple, Mr. and Mrs. Thompson. So once again, ma'am and sir, sabay-sabay po tayo. That's everyone. Sabay-sabay po. And cheers, everyone! Cheers! Cheers! Wow! Ayan. So, last year part natin. Ano po ang ating papatunugin? Patunugin ang dapat patunugin! Cheers! 10 seconds! Ilang seconds? 20 seconds! Kiss for 10 seconds! 10 seconds for 5 seconds! 10 seconds already and 10! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Once again, congratulations and best wishes po. Maraming salamat po for this cooperation. Once again, congratulations. Hindi na po na-videoan. But anyway, 10 seconds yun lang po, no? Yeah, once again, congratulations. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng umaten po. But anyway, for having, of course, the closing remarks, I think in behalf of Ma'am Nana na lang po, having a closing remark for everyone po, na lahat po ng umaten po sa celebration nito. Ma'am Nana, closing remarks po for everyone.
Sa closing remarks.
Tagalog. Closing remarks. Okay. Bago tayo maghiwa-hiwalay na lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. In behalf of my hubby here, we thank you all for coming, for celebrating with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Once again, maraming salamat po. So, thank you for patronizing Max's Restaurant as your venue for this wonderful celebration. It was indeed a pleasure to serve all of you and also to the couple. Once again, my name is Michael Karan saying no more goodbye, just tomorrow. Maraming salamat po everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day. Ingat po tayo sa pag-uwi. Thank you po.
Baka humanga.